The internet has revolutionized the way we work, opening up a world of possibilities that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Gone are the days of the traditional 9-to-5 office job being the only option for professionals seeking a stable career. Today, more and more people are choosing to ditch the corporate ladder and embrace the freedom and flexibility of freelancing, finding joy in working from anywhere. This global shift towards independent work is not just a trend. It's a fundamental change in how we perceive work-life balance and career satisfaction. People are prioritizing their personal lives and mental well-being more than ever before. The rise of the freelance economy can be attributed to several factors, each contributing to the growing appeal of this career path. Technological advancements have made it easier than ever to connect with clients and work remotely, breaking down geographical barriers and enabling seamless communication. The increasing desire for work-life balance and the need for greater autonomy over one's schedule are also driving forces behind this shift. People want to take control of their time and work on their own terms. Add in the desire for diverse and challenging work, and it's no surprise that freelancing is experiencing a surge in popularity. Freelancers can choose projects that excite them and align with their skills and interests. This guide will serve as your introduction to the exciting world of freelancing, offering insights and practical advice to help you navigate this dynamic landscape. We'll explore what freelancing entails, from the basics to the more intricate aspects of managing a freelance career. Delve into the diverse range of freelance opportunities available, spanning various industries and skill sets, and arm you with the knowledge and tools to launch your own successful freelance career. We'll cover everything from finding clients to setting your rates and managing your workload. So, if you're ready to break free from the confines of traditional employment and embark on a journey towards professional freedom, read on! The world of freelancing awaits you with open arms. This is just the beginning. Your freelance journey is about to start, and the possibilities are endless. In the next section, we'll define freelancing and explore its nuances further, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. Freelancing, in its simplest form, is about being your own boss. It's about trading the security of a traditional job for the freedom and flexibility of independent work. As a freelancer, you are self-employed, offering your skills and services to clients on a project basis. You are not tied to any one company or organization. Instead, you have the autonomy to choose the projects you want to work on, set your own rates, and determine your own hours. This level of control over your professional life is one of the most appealing aspects of freelancing. Freelancing is a dynamic and ever-evolving field. It's a world of endless possibilities, limited only by your skills and imagination. But what kind of work can you actually do as a freelancer? Let's explore the diverse landscape of freelance opportunities in the next section. The beauty of freelancing lies in its versatility and the freedom it offers. There's a freelance niche for almost every skill imaginable, catering to a wide array of talents and expertise. Whether you're a wordsmith, a design guru, a tech wizard, or a marketing maestro, there's a place for you in the gig economy. The opportunities are endless and ever-evolving. Let's take a look at some of the most popular types of freelance jobs: writing and editing. This broad category encompasses a wide range of services including article writing, blog posting, copywriting, proofreading, and editing. Writers and editors are always in demand to create and refine content. Graphic design, from logo design to website layouts, businesses are constantly in need of talented graphic designers to bring their visual identity to life. Graphic designers help brands stand out in a crowded market. Web development and programming. In today's digital age, businesses need websites and apps to reach their audience and streamline operations. This has created a huge demand for freelance web developers, programmers, and software engineers. These professionals build and maintain the digital infrastructure of modern businesses. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. They help businesses stay organized and efficient. Marketing and social media. Businesses need help navigating the ever-evolving world of digital marketing. Effective marketing strategies are crucial for growth and engagement. This is where freelance marketers and social media managers come in. They craft and execute strategies to boost online presence and drive sales. These are just a few examples of the many freelance opportunities available. The possibilities are truly limitless. As you can see, the gig economy is vast and varied, offering something for everyone. It caters to a multitude of skills and interests. In the next section, we'll delve into the numerous advantages of embracing the freelance lifestyle. Stay tuned to discover how freelancing can transform your professional and personal life. The allure of freelancing extends beyond just the variety of work available. It's a lifestyle choice that offers a unique blend of freedom, flexibility, and financial independence that traditional employment often lacks. Imagine waking up in the morning and deciding your own schedule. You can start your day early or sleep in, depending on what suits you best. This kind of autonomy is one of the most significant benefits of freelancing. One of the most significant benefits is the flexibility it affords. As a freelancer, you are not bound by the constraints of a 9-to-5 workday. You have the autonomy to set your own hours, work when you're most productive, and take breaks when you need them. This means you can align your work with your natural rhythms and personal commitments. This flexibility extends to where you work. With freelancing, the world is your office. You can work from home, a coffee shop, a co-working space, or even a beach in Bali. The choice is yours. This freedom to work from anywhere is particularly appealing to digital nomads and those seeking a better work-life balance. Imagine working on a project while enjoying a beautiful sunset or taking a break to explore a new city. Another key advantage is the potential for unlimited income. Unlike traditional employment, where your salary is predetermined, your earning potential as a freelancer is directly proportional to your skills, effort, and the rates you command. This means that the harder you work and the more you improve your skills, the more you can earn. You are in control of your financial destiny. While the benefits of freelancing are undeniable, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that come with this independent work model. In the next section, we'll address these challenges head-on and explore practical solutions to overcome them. From managing your time effectively to dealing with the uncertainty of income, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of freelancing and help you navigate the ups and downs of being your own boss. Your journey to a more flexible, fulfilling, and financially rewarding career starts here. While the benefits of freelancing are undeniable, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that come with this independent work model. In the next section, we'll address these challenges head-on and explore practical solutions to overcome them. In the next section, we'll address these challenges head-on and explore practical solutions to overcome them.